Right, hi YouTube. This is DoToHow with Visual Basic tutorials. Today we're going to do an if statement example, and an if statement is a conditional expression that will perform different actions depending on what the programmer has specified in their code. And if the condition is met, it'll execute one part of the code, but if it's not true, false really, it'll execute the other. It really depends. Right, going to start off by opening Visual Basic Express or Visual Studio, whichever you have. This is in 2008 and 2010. I'm using 2010. And make a new project, Windows Form application, and name it if statements. If I can spell. Press OK. Once it's loaded up, depending on what you want to do, this is going to be an easy tutorial, so really just going to need a button, a checkbox, a label, and a text box, wherever it is. Yeah, there it is. You're not really going to need any special things for this, it's just put them anywhere really. What we're going to do is double click the button to make up the code. And what we're going to do is, when we're clicking the checkbox, label 1 will change its text to whatever you want it to choose. And if the checkbox isn't checked, then we're going to make the text box tell you that you haven't checked the checkbox. Sorry. So let's make the text box a little bit bigger to fit the text in. Then double click button 1 and then type in if checkbox 1 dot checked equals true, then label 1 text equals your if statement works. This is going to cover else statements as well, so let's try and do it. Just put else. No, just keep it like that for now. And then just debug it. And then click checkbox 1 and then press button. It changes to your if statement works. So you know it works. Then put else if it's not checked. It would be text box 1 dot text equals you forgot to check the box. Tidy. Right, now debug that. It should work. Just click button 1 and then it comes up, you forgot to check the box. You check the box, press the button, and your statement works. This is a simply easy tutorial. If you shouldn't get anything wrong with it. If you do, just go back in the tutorial and just recap or whatever that you've got lost track on really. I'm pretty chuffed today, my new mic and stuff came, so I don't have to write out some stupid little tutorials which you can't be asked to read. Yeah, this is DoToHow bringing you some Visual Basic codes. Thank you, and subscribe.